This is Josh from PDS Equipment. I'm going to talk about the replace wiper waste ink tank error, along with how to maintenance that suction nozzle that replaced the wiper. Now to clear the error, all you have to do is go into your menu, go into Maintenance Station, and on the second page, you have this replace wiper waste ink tank. When you click on that, it tells you to discard the waste ink in the wiper waste tank. That is not your main waste ink tank, that is your suction wiper waste ink tank, which is back here. If this is not back here on your machine, then you have the old style wiper and you don't have to worry about this. So you'll just unscrew it. And dump it the same way that you dump your normal waste ink tank. And screw it back on. Okay, that's it. So all that does on the menu is reset the count. So there's no kind of float in there or anything. So if you go here and go through that process like I just did, and you don't replace the wiper or waste ink tank, then you may get an overflow. So it's pretty important to actually empty it out. So the other thing that you have to do with this wiper is during your end of the day maintenance, where your carriage is out, MKII recently released a bulletin saying to use this PR200 Maintenance liquid. With a pipette. You just drop a few drops onto the nozzle. And you should hear it suck down just like that. Now, if you haven't been doing this, a lot of people will notice the suction stops working as well. And when you put your finger on it, you won't hear the motor change pitches like that, and you won't feel the suction like I am right now. If you haven't been dropping these droplets down, that's pretty common, and your wiper will become ineffective and it will eventually lead to more problems. So it's pretty important to drop that solution in there when you do your daily maintenance.